It's always important to create a system lock to avoid any unwanted programming. In order to do this, go to the Tools, select Maintenance menu, System Lock, and turn System Lock on. And you can choose whether or not you want the on-off key, the Tools key, the number 1, the number 2 programming key, or number 3 keys locked. And you can toggle between locked and unlocked in this section. So once the Tools key is locked, select OK. OK again. The Tools is not able to be selected. In order to select it, either insert a USB that has a system lock override, or select a small button on the back of the device, hold it while simultaneously holding the Tools key. And then you get prompted, System Lock is turned on, holds tool keys for 5 seconds. Once you've held it for 5 seconds, go to the Maintenance menu, System Lock, and turn it off so that you can make your programming changes. Select OK, and OK again.